Hi guys, so today we're going to cover how to set up the LinkedIn Insight tags, or popularly known as LinkedIn Pixel, in order to help you track web events. So you want to track specific buttons or maybe URL links in your sales funnel, all right, or your customer journeys. So you want to confirm that, okay, these people are actually clicking on this meaningful button or visiting this particular URL when they visit my landing page or my website. So we're going to cover that in this particular video. So make sure you visit the description section. You are still going to access videos that covers how to run the sales and conversion ads campaign. All right. So let's jump right straight into this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to set up another one. Okay. So you can see that this one is functioning now. So we're going to set up another one. This one, we're going to be tracking sales. So basically, one of the best ways to track is for you to track the thank you page or the receipt. We made a video about this for meta ads. We're also going to attach it in the description section of this video. All right. So now you click on create conversion. So this one, we're going to track sales. So you click on create conversion, then inside tag conversion. Then we give it a name, sales seller. Select the category. Okay. Let's just look for purchase, something like that. Okay, use dynamic value. Set the value of the conversion. The default value, okay, let's just say $7 because the tickets are two. The first one is $7. The next one is about $18. So we're going to use the list amount. Okay. Okay, so click on next step. I'm going to use tag manager. Okay, so we're using Google Tag Manager. So we're going to copy this. So you go to your Google tag. So visit tagmanager.google.com. Next, you select your container. So we're working on this one. Then click on add new tag. So go to tags, then click on new. So we're going to call it seller sales. Then tag configuration, we are going for LinkedIn. So we search LinkedIn Insights 2.0. Okay, so now we're going to paste this. This is the Insights tag that we copied from here. Okay, Insights tag, copy, and we'll paste here. Okay, so that's correct. Next is the conversion IDs. So we have to get that. So we scroll down. Now we are going to tag event specifics. Okay. Now conversion ID. Okay, so we're gonna copy this one. Okay, and paste it there. Okay, so that's all. Next is the trigger. Not all page. So let's click on plus so that we're gonna see all of it. So I'm gonna call this sales. Then the trigger. We're gonna use page view actually. Page view. Some page view. So select variable. So it's gonna be URL contents. Click URL. So let's scroll down and see other ones. Okay, page. So we're gonna use page. This is better. So we're gonna say page URL. So page URL contains receipt. Okay. So it's received. Some pages will be thank you. Page URL. Okay. So we are good to go. Now click on save. Then click on save again. So then we submit and then publish. Then continue. So once we are done here, we go back to LinkedIn. Okay. Then we click on next step. And then we create. So you review. Then you create. Okay, so once there's a purchase, it's going to trigger.